As on the news, we've had atrocious weather in the last couple of days. Very heavy rain just recently has brought flooding to parts of the north, and we still have many flood warnings out for parts of Scotland, Northern England and Wales. And with all the recent rain during today, probably worsened the situation in a few places. And as ever, the floodline number is 0845 988 1188. But it's been the very stormy winds already today that have caused havoc. Many roads, especially across central Northern England, North Wales, Northern Ireland and southern Scotland, are shut or blocked due to tree or building debris. Many services are disrupted on the train network, and we're also seeing some flights affected. And you can keep up to date with that information on BBC I and CFAX page 430. And not only on land, but also at sea. We're seeing many crossings across the Irish Sea and the North Sea being affected. Now, we're over the worst of these high stormy winds, but there's still some damaging winds around until mid-afternoon across Northern England, up to 70 to 80 miles an hour, and across the rest of the United Kingdom up to around 50 to 60 miles an hour. So the worst of the winds are moving away eastwards around that area of low pressure, but as you can see across us this afternoon, some tightly packed isobars, still very windy indeed. It's blown away the wet and snowy weather, but we're left with a rash of squally showers into parts of Northern Ireland, western and northern Scotland and northwest England. Many of them of rain, but also some sleet and snow, still giving us atrocious travelling conditions over the higher ground. Some drier, brighter weather for eastern Scotland, much of England and Wales with some winter sunshine, but noticeably colder than of late, especially in those strong winds. Now, the weather's already taken its toll on some football matches, and you can get the latest information on BBC I and CFAX. And also for the rugby weather, you can visit our website. Certainly going to be very interesting conditions for the kickers. Now, the racing has been affected. Haydock Park has been abandoned. Still very windy for Lingfield Park, Sandown and also Uttoxeter. The winds easing as we go through tonight, and rather chilly for parts of the east. So starting off chilly but rather bright here in the morning. But as you can see, another spell of wet and windy weather coming into the west and the north. That making its way across Scotland, Northern England and Northern Ireland through the afternoon. The rain not so much further south, and it will turn milder as well. Temperatures around 9 or 10, but still rather chilly in the north. But one thing to say, not as windy as it has been today. Bye-bye for now.